What if your next phone could replace your tablet, laptop, and maybe even surprise you? In 2026, foldables are smarter, faster, and more powerful than ever. Today, we're counting down the top 5 best foldable phones of 2026, and trust me, the number 1 pick will completely change how you see smartphones. Let's started. Number 5, Tecno Phantom V Fold 2. The Tecno Phantom V Fold 2 is a bold step forward in the world of foldable smartphones, combining cutting-edge innovation with premium design at a more accessible price point. Built for users who want both productivity and entertainment in one device, it features a large foldable AMOLED display that transforms from a standard smartphone into a tablet-like experience. This makes multitasking smoother, whether you're browsing, streaming, or running multiple apps side by side. Under the hood, the Phantom V Fold 2 is powered by a capable flagship-level processor, delivering fast performance for gaming, content creation, and daily tasks. Paired with generous RAM and storage options, it ensures a seamless experience even under heavy usage. The hinge mechanism has also been improved, offering a more durable and smoother folding action, which enhances long-term usability. On the camera side, Tecno continues to impress with a versatile multi-lens setup that captures detailed photos in various lighting conditions. From ultra-wide shots to portrait photography, the device is designed to meet modern content demands. Battery life is another strong point, with a large capacity that comfortably lasts through a full day of usage, supported by fast charging technology to keep you powered up quickly. Overall, the Tecno Phantom V Fold 2 delivers a premium foldable experience without the ultra-premium price tag, making it an attractive option for users looking to enter the foldable market without compromise. Number 4, Motorola Razr Plus, 2026. The Motorola Razr Plus stands out as one of the most stylish and practical foldable smartphones available, redefining what a compact flagship device can offer. Designed with a modern flip phone aesthetic, it combines nostalgia with cutting-edge technology, making it perfect for users who value both design and functionality. One of its biggest highlights is the large external display, which allows you to check notifications, reply to messages, control music, and even run full apps without opening the phone. When unfolded, the Razr Plus reveals a smooth and vibrant POLD display with a high refresh rate, delivering an immersive experience for streaming, gaming, and everyday use. Performance-wise, the device is powered by a reliable Snapdragon chipset, ensuring fast and efficient multitasking. Whether you're switching between apps or using demanding features, the phone maintains smooth and responsive performance. Its optimized software also enhances the foldable experience, making transitions seamless between the outer and inner screens. The dual camera system is designed for versatility, allowing users to take high-quality photos and selfies using the main camera with the cover screen preview. This adds a creative edge to mobile photography. Battery life is well balanced for a foldable, easily lasting a full day with moderate use, and it supports fast charging for convenience. Overall, the Motorola Razr Plus delivers a premium foldable experience in a compact, stylish form factor ideal for users who want innovation, portability, and standout design in one device. Number 3, OnePlus Open, open for everything. The OnePlus Open truly lives up to its tagline, open for everything, by delivering one of the most refined and versatile foldable experiences on the market. Designed for users who demand power, flexibility, and premium craftsmanship, this device seamlessly transforms from a sleek smartphone into a powerful mini tablet. At the heart of the OnePlus Open is its stunning dual display system. The outer screen feels like a traditional flagship phone, while the inner foldable display opens up into a large, immersive canvas perfect for multitasking, content consumption, and productivity. Whether you're editing documents, watching videos, or running multiple apps side by side, the experience feels smooth and intuitive. Performance is a major strength, powered by a flagship Snapdragon processor paired with high-speed RAM and storage. This ensures lightning-fast responsiveness, making it ideal for heavy users, gamers, and professionals. OnePlus has also optimized its Oxygen OS software specifically for foldables, allowing features like split-screen multitasking and floating windows to feel natural and efficient. The camera system, co-developed with Hasselblad, delivers impressive results with rich colors, sharp details, and strong dynamic range, making it a reliable choice for both photography and videography. Despite its slim and lightweight design, the battery life remains solid, easily lasting a full day with fast charging support to keep you moving. Overall, The OnePlus Open is a powerhouse foldable built for those who want everything performance, productivity, and premium design all in one innovative device. Number 2, Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 represents one of the most refined and powerful foldable smartphones ever created, pushing the boundaries of productivity, performance, and premium design. Built for users who want a true phone plus tablet experience in one device, it delivers a seamless blend of innovation and practicality. At its core, the Z Fold 6 features a stunning 7.6-inch foldable dynamic AMOLED display that transforms your smartphone into a mini workstation. Whether you're multitasking with split-screen apps, editing documents, or watching content, the large screen offers a smooth 120Hz refresh rate and exceptional brightness for an immersive experience. The outer display has also been improved, making it more usable for everyday tasks without needing to unfold the device. Performance is top-tier, powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 for Galaxy chipset, ensuring lightning-fast speed, efficient multitasking, and high-end gaming capabilities. Combined with 12GB RAM and fast storage options, the phone handles everything effortlessly. Samsung has also focused heavily on durability and design. The Fold 6 is thinner, lighter, and more comfortable to hold, with an improved hinge and IP48 water resistance, making it one of the most durable foldables yet. The camera system includes a versatile triple-lens setup with a 50MP main sensor, delivering sharp and vibrant photos, enhanced further by AI-powered image processing. Battery life remains reliable with a 4,400 mAh capacity, easily lasting a full day under normal use. What truly sets it apart is Samsung's Galaxy AI features, which boost productivity through tools like live translation, smart note-taking, and advanced photo editing, turning the Fold 6 into a powerful everyday assistant. Overall, the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 is a premium foldable built for professionals, creators, and power users who want maximum screen space, top performance, and future-ready technology in their pocket. Number 1, Google Pixel Fold. The only foldable engineered by Google. The Google Pixel Fold stands as a unique entry in the foldable market, designed from the ground up by Google to deliver a pure Android experience optimized for folding screens. Unlike other brands that adapt Android to foldables, this device is built by the creators of Android itself, making it one of the most software-refined foldables available. At its core, the Pixel Fold features a distinctive dual display setup. The outer screen feels like a regular smartphone, wide, comfortable, and easy to use with one hand, while the inner 7.6-inch OLED display unfolds into a tablet-like workspace with a smooth 120Hz refresh rate. This design makes everyday tasks effortless, whether you're texting on the cover screen or multitasking across apps when opened. Performance is powered by Google's Tensor G2 chip, focusing not just on speed but on AI-driven features like real-time translation, voice typing, and smart photography enhancements. The software experience is where the Pixel Fold truly shines. Google has optimized apps like Gmail, Maps, and Photos specifically for the foldable layout, delivering seamless transitions and intuitive multitasking. The camera system is another standout, continuing Google's reputation for excellent computational photography. With advanced image processing, features like Magic Eraser, and strong low-light performance, it competes with flagship non-foldable phones. In terms of design, the Pixel Fold is slim, premium, and durable, featuring a solid hinge mechanism and IPX8 water resistance. Its wide form factor also makes it more practical compared to narrower foldables, offering a more natural smartphone feel when closed. Battery life is reliable, supported by a large 4,800 mAh capacity, ensuring all-day usage even with mixed screen use. Overall, the Google Pixel Fold isn't just another foldable, it's a vision of what foldables should be when hardware and software are built.